Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Sade. This is Dead End Crafts. I make things and ramble a lot, but today we're gonna get right into it because I don't have a lot of good footage for this doll that I made back in 2018. So this is one of my first dolls, and it's actually one that I made as a gift for a friend. They are a pretty big fan of the Touhou Project games. I know very little of it, but I know that their favorite character is Remilia, who I guess is a very Lolita. Well, not Lolita. It's a very little cute vampire character. She's cute. I don't know. I like her. She's got some cool wings. I'm kind of happy with this one for considering it's one of my very first dolls. They were very happy to receive it, so I like this doll. So I'm going to share it with you guys. I don't have the greatest footage, like I said, though, so I'm sorry. I have like maybe 2 or 3 like more dolls in like old footage, because this is from before I decided I wanted to make this channel, and it was more just for me. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's get into it. So we're going to be jumping through segments of me working on this doll, and here I am working on the shoes. The process that I'm using is paper. It's just toilet paper and watered down Elmer's glue, and the process I got from Watercolors, it's the same process that I used for Toga's shoes. So essentially I'm just building up layers of toilet paper. When it dries, you kind of cut it off, and then I build up the actual form of the shoe with some clay, air dry clay I think I used, but this is all you're gonna see of that because I didn't save any of that. Moving on to the face. So I don't know if I had switched to using Mr. Super Clear or not when I was working on Remilia. I want to say I had finally transitioned to Mr. Super Clear when I was working on this doll. It's all very blurry for me now. I have a terrible sense of memory. But just started with the usual process, wipe the face clean, some acetone, and then we do a couple layers of Mr. Super Clear. Once that is dried and not so stinky anymore, just sketch in the face with a lighter color pencil. Went with this very pretty purple. I think I only had like purple, blue, and pink pencils when I started doll making, so Remilia is kind of one of the perfect dolls to make because I didn't have colors for... I don't have the color as I have now. Anyway, here's a very awkward angle of me blushing the face. Enjoy that. I'm sorry. God. I'll just mention this again. I have finally what I hope will be a decent camera mount where I can get a good proper angle for you guys with Brent when I start recording new footage. I haven't worked on very many dolls this summer so far. I haven't worked on any dolls this summer so far. Actually, I'll just be honest with you right there, because I didn't have access to Mr. Super Clear. I did actually just get 5 whole cans recently, so I have no excuses anymore not to be working on dolls, so I'll have some stuff for you soon enough. Maybe come October time. I don't know. I'm very slow with this. But yeah, so here's the face so far. I'm pretty happy with her face. It's kind of similar to my usual art style too. Here we're applying that Tamiya gloss to give those eyes that pretty glossy shine. And for a second shot of the yarn that I used to make the wig, and now a super stroby shot of the armature that I was putting together for the wings, because, I don't know, I guess I was filming in front of my computer monitor, and yeah, that was an ugly shot, I'm so sorry. Here's the base that I made for her. And I don't know if you could tell, but there was a little wire coming off of the pole from the base, and so that hole in her back will hook onto the wire, so it looks like she's suspended in mid-air when she's on her little stand. I thought my friend would like that. So here's the finished outfit. I'm so sorry I don't have any footage of putting together the dress and just everything else. Here's her wig and her cap. I could probably do better with the hat now if I tried. Maybe I could remake it. I still have all this materials from this. I always get a little extra, so I have that stock of fabric. I'll put her little hair back on. I think her wings fell off when I filmed this clip, because she doesn't have her wings right now. I'd probably just glued them back on, because I don't think I made them removable. But it's been so long, I don't know. And the doll is obviously with my friend now, so I can't go and check. And here is the final finished thing. I don't have like pretty photos of her because I was quick to deliver her to my friend. So if I ever have photos of her, they will be from my friend. But here she is, finished, and I'm actually very happy with her. I'm very happy that my friend was happy with her. I think she came out really cute. There are things that I feel like I could do better now that I have some experience. I would love tackling making wings again sometime. But anyway, thank you guys for joining me on this super quick video. Kind of a mess. Sorry for all the footage. But thanks for watching, and I hope you guys will come back to watch more of what I make. I do have some more doll stuff coming very soon. Y'all take care of each other, fucking wear your masks, and thank you.